Hi friends, I'm Sachit and today I'm going to show you how to solve a mirror cube. So first I'm going to shuffle this cube, then we can start. Now the cube is shuffled, so let's start. So the first step is you need to solve a cross. For solving a cross you need to find a centerpiece. So that centerpiece should be the tallest of all the centerpieces. And in this cube, this is the tallest centerpiece. So you need to solve a cross right now. Then we just need to solve a cross. This is tall, it's matching, so this one, then this one, and this is not matching, so this can't be. This one, one more is there. Let's find it out. I guess it will be this one. Yeah, this one. Now after this we just need to match the centerpiece with the edges. Yeah, this is matching, this is matching, this is matching, and this is matching. So the centerpieces are matching with the edges. So the first step is done. Now the second step is to find the corners and place it at its position. So this is one corner and it will come here. This corner will come over here. So for getting this over here, now we have it here, so we just need to get it over here. So we just turn it twice. Yeah, now it's over here. Now we need to get it down. If we do it like this, it won't work because this will come down. So for this we need to move this from the way, like this, then get this up, then again place it. So now these both are matching and we get this down. So the first corner is done. Now we need to find second corner. This will be second corner and it will come here. This one will come over here. Then again we have to do the same thing. We need to move it from the way, get this up, get this back to its place, and then put it down. So this corner is done. Now this one, this piece will come over here like this. It's matching. So we again do the same thing. Move it from the way, get this up and place it back, and then get this down. Now the last corner. This will be the last corner, like this. So for that again the same step. This, get this up, get this right, and put this down. So our first layer is done. Now we'll move on to the next step. After solving the first layer, we need to go on to the second layer. For solving the second layer, we need to place these kind of places over. So we need to match this and this. So this is matching, and if this is matching, it might come left or right. It can be any side. So for that we check it. This is not matching, so it will come on the left side like this. It's matching. So if we do this directly, this will move. We don't want that to happen. So for that we need to get this to the opposite direction where we are gonna place it. So I move it right from here, opposite direction. Then I get this up and get this back to its place. Then I get this down. So now this corner is over here. We need to again put this corner to its position. So for that I need to move it from the way, get this up and get this back to the position. Yeah, now this piece is here. So we need to do this step again. So let's try to match this. It won't come here because it's not matching. This is also not matching. It will come here. It's matching, and already there's a edge over here, so it won't come this side, it will come this side. For that we need to move it to, if we want to insert it to the right side, we need to move this to the left, get this up, move it here, and then get this down. Then again the corner will be gone here, so for inserting the corner, move it on the right, get this up, get this back. Now our first part of second layer is done. Now we need to do this and this. So for doing this we need again like, I guess this might come here. No, it won't. It will come here. So when it comes here, it's matching. Now we need to get it on the left because the right edge is already placed. So for that we just move it to the opposite direction, get this up, get this back to its place and put it down. After doing that we need to again insert it. So for inserting it we just do the step which I told you in the starting, and this is here, and we need to only find one more edge. So this might be the edge, this one. It won't come here, so we just need to make it move to the left. This is matching and it will come over here because already there's an edge over here. So we get this to the opposite direction where we want to place it, get this up like this, yeah, and get it down. Then again insert the corner. So for inserting the corner we move it from the way, get this up, make it go back to its position, and then get this down. So our second step is completed. Our second layer is completed, this and this. So now we are gonna move on the top cross. For me the top cross is already solved. So now I'm just gonna get this to one position so that I can show you how to solve the top cross. I'm just gonna remove the top cross. Yeah, so now the top cross is not solved, only this is here and this is in the position. Now if you're getting a L, you need to do this step. So first you need to make it opposite L. So this should be here and this should be here. So you just rotate it like this. Yeah, now this is an opposite L. And then you do a step, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, and F prime. So now you get this, a line. You again have to do the same step, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime. You get a cross, the top cross is done. After solving the top cross, you need to do one more step. That step is you need to match like this. It should be done like this. So for me now only one is there. So you do this formula. R, U, R prime, U, R, R, U2 and L. So now, and R, sorry, R prime. So now this is done. All the centers are matching with the all edges. And now this will be the last step, the corners. We need to this will be the second last step because we need to again flip the corners the next step. So now you need to like place these corners at the correct position. So you can hold it from any side just like this and then do this step, U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L, and again just do it because none of the corners are in its place. So just take a random side and then do this step again, U, R, U prime, L prime, Q, R prime, U prime, L. Let's check it now. Now this one is in place, so you just need to hold it like this and do the same step. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Again, this is the same thing. It might take a long time, so just hold it from a random side and do the same step. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Now it's still not in place. You do the step again from. Let me check if anything is in its place. This won't come like this. No. So I do the step again. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. Let me check. Still nothing is in its place. Again I have to do the step. I'll just do it a quick cause yeah. Again I have to do it. So now this can come over here. So for that we need to do the step again. U, R. I'll just do it because the step everybody knows it now. Yeah. So now this corner is in its place. You need to hold this corner like it should be on your front right, so it does not like get messed up. So you do the formula U. Again I have to do it. And now these two are at its place. Even these two are at its place, but we need to flip this. And for flipping this, there's one more formula. And you have to do it again if it does not happen. So now it's like R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Again you have to do it as it's not flipped. R prime, D prime, R, D, R prime, D prime, R, D. Now it's in its place, but then this cube is messed up, so you might be thinking it's not yet solved. After this corner it's in place, the cube will be solved. So you have to just like turn this cube to the place where you were doing the formula and do it again. R prime, D prime, R, D. It's not yet flipped. R prime, D prime, R, D. And now the corner is solved. Your cube will be solved when you just turn your piece. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.